Doug at Micro Heat Engineering, and we got a new little laser welder, so I was going to do some practice welds. So here's a piece of steel. I'll come on in here on the notcher and cut myself a little chunk to practice welding on. And here it is. Anyway, I'll just do a little twist on it and to give myself something to practice welding on. Okay, this is my vintage laser welder that I bought in an auction, and immediately after I bought it I put a brand new lamp in there, but I forgot to replace the O-rings, and of course water leaked down. It went into the power supply, it blew out multiple components. But after about 6 months of persistence, I got it back together and running again. So I'm going to practice on this little piece of steel here, and I got it in a holder. One thing I learned is that if the laser hits your finger, you can tolerate it. If it hits in your fingernail, that's a real shocker. So it's probably hard to see this little seam in here, but I'm going to go and blast along it. And that is my weld right there. And maybe we'll take a snapshot of it up close so people can actually see what the little laser weld is capable of. There's a lot of glare back on there. Okay, well that's not bad. That's my little weld right along there. And those are very tiny little welds, so I can imagine that was 0.3 millimeter spot size. Anyway, that's just kind of a quick introduction to laser welding, a new capability we got here, and we're willing and ready to use it on something.